Look at this guy. The tide is coming in really fast. Do you see how fast it is? And he's up to his belly practically in water, but still checking out for those fish. Do you see any? Do you see any, Snowy? Oh, to be a snowy egret. That's the life. Yesterday I didn't have my camera, but I saw 5 American Coots. And today, in the distance, I'm seeing at least 4 of them. So I'll try to get closer. Ooh, look at these guys. Coming in for a landing. Hank the duck. Someone has other activities in mind. No bird watching today. We are treasuring every moment with this one because his right rear leg is often so weak that it doesn't support him, and very, very disappointing. We joke that he has 2 servants, 3 theoretically, and people have said that he might be a king shepherd because of his size. So he's the royalty and we are his serfs. Kids going by have his attention for a while. He's really looking out for his other dogs to go say hi to, because they're very social animals. He can smell them from 2 blocks away when he's inside the house. I'll hear or woof, woof, as he wants to go out, and sure enough, there they will be. They're not always dogs he gets along with, but he always wants to go out there when they are. So now he's working on making mulch. Very useful dog. He mows the lawn, 1 blade of grass at a time. Actually, not our lawn. He mows the lagoon lawn. He makes mulch. And what else do you make, Chowder? What else do you do? So he saw somebody on the other side. He's looking around, trying to scope out, see what's going on in the neighborhood, see where he wants to go. Then suddenly he'll be like, bam, up on his legs and heading out. Doesn't matter if they were weak before. Somehow he finds the strength to go say hi to another puppy. Very social animals, German shepherds. And back to my palm branch. There's a dog across the way that I see. He's kind of stretching out in this direction. Surprisingly, this one hasn't noticed him. Now he's seeing him, but they're crossing, so I guess they're not going to come say hi. Okay, now we're up. Chowder, they're in the other direction. They're going the other way. It's okay. Go back to your palm branch. I don't know. We want to get up. Okay, that's not going to happen, you. Chowder, that's not going to happen. Come on, let's go over to the trail. Come on. Let's go to the trail. They're gone already. Come on, let's keep walking. Nope, sit down. Okay. Do you hear another puppy? Oh. Yeah, it needs to hold itself down, right, Chow Chow? You'll just have to trust me that yesterday there were 5, but today I'm showing you 4. 2 on the shore, on the left of the blue trash can, 1 on the right of it, and then 1 on the far end, just in front of the canopy for the kids' play area. So that's 4 American Coots that we're looking at right now. And some other miscellaneous birds. But there are some birds over there, and I'm not sure what they are, with the little black splocks. And they could be American Coots. There are 4 of them. I'll have to go check it out. Bring it. It's okay. I know, it'll come. Just bring it. I know, it's a little wide, huh? Okay. Yep, I do believe there are 4 or 5 of them just in front of the lifeguard stand. And then here we go. 4 right here gathering. So that would be 9. Oh, it might be, oh, it's 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, yesterday there were 5 that I saw. Of course, there could have been quite a few already, but maybe I only saw 5. Aw, cuteness. The American Coots